7 Hot Side Hustles in Japan. Make money while staying in Kevin's Airbnb guest house. If you're staying in Kevin's cozy Airbnb guest house in Japan, you might be wondering how to earn some extra cash while soaking up the local culture. Japan offers unique opportunities for side hustles that cater to its vibrant economy and creative possibilities. Here's a rundown of 7 hot side hustles you can dive into during your stay. 1. Teaching English online. Why it's hot. Japan's demand for English language learning remains strong. Many companies allow you to teach English online, even with minimal experience. How to start. Platforms like Cambly or italki let you set your schedule and start earning quickly. Estimated earnings. Why 2,000, why 3,000 per hour. Bonus, you can do it right from the guest house with a good internet connection. 2. Selling handmade goods. Why it's hot. Japan has a thriving market for artisanal and handmade items. If you're crafty, this could be a fun way to make money. How to start. Create items like jewelry, candles, or Japanese-inspired crafts, and list them on platforms like Etsy or Mercari. Estimated earnings. Why 5,000, why 10,000 per sale depending on your products. Bonus. Use local materials or themes for added appeal. 3. Freelance writing or blogging. Why it's hot. Content creation is in demand, and you can leverage your unique perspective as a traveler in Japan. How to start. Offer services on platforms like Upwork, or start your own travel blog. Estimated earnings. Why 10,000, why 15,000 per article for high-quality content. Bonus. Write about Japanese culture or hidden gems near the Airbnb for niche appeal. 4. Online reselling. Why it's hot. Japan is famous for its second-hand markets, where treasures like vintage clothing, rare collectibles, and electronics can be found. How to start. Shop at thrift stores or flea markets and resell items on platforms like eBay or Poshmark. Estimated earnings. Profits depend on the item but could range from Y to 1,000, Y 20,000 per sale. Bonus. Explore local markets as part of the adventure. 5. Language tutoring. Why it's hot. If you're fluent in another language, such as French, Spanish, or Mandarin, you can offer tutoring to locals interested in learning. How to start. Advertise on apps like HelloTalk or through local social media groups. Estimated earnings. Why 3,000, why 5,000 per session. Bonus. It's a great way to connect with locals and make friends. 6. Photography services. Why it's hot. Japan's picturesque scenery and vibrant culture are perfect for photography enthusiasts. How to start. Offer services like portrait photography for tourists or locals, and promote your work on Instagram. Estimated earnings. Why 5,000, why 20,000 per session, depending on your skill and clientele. Bonus. Use Kevin's Airbnb as a backdrop to highlight its charm in your portfolio. 7. Virtual assistant work. Why it's hot. Many small businesses worldwide look for virtual assistants to help with admin tasks, social media management, and email handling. How to start. Sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Remote.co to find gigs. Estimated earnings. Why 1,500, why 3,500 per hour. Bonus. Flexible hours allow you to balance work and exploring Japan. Final tips for hustling in Japan. Be tech ready. Ensure you have a laptop and a stable internet connection. Kevin's Airbnb has you covered here. Stay legal. Check your visa status to ensure compliance with Japanese work regulations. Network. Leverage local expat groups or co-working spaces to find opportunities and make connections. With these side hustles, you can turn your time in Japan into a productive and rewarding experience. Whether you're teaching, creating, or selling, there's something for everyone to make the most of their stay at Kevin's guest house.